Hi everyone. Are you tired of juggling multiple tools to manage hiring, onboarding, and employee data? What if there was one platform that could streamline all your talent operations in one place? Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use Ashby. So let's jump right in. Start by signing up for Ashby. Then head to their website, create your account, and log in. Once you are in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. This is where you will manage everything from tracking candidates and posting jobs to organize employee data and generating reports. Now let's talk about setting up your hiring pipeline. One of Ashby's standout features is its ability to centralize your recruiting process. Start by creating job postings directly in Ashby. You can customize the details, add descriptions, and even include your company branding. Once the job is live, Ashby automatically syncs with job boards like LinkedIn, Greenhouse, or your careers page to pull in applications. This keeps everything organized in one place so you can focus on finding the best talent. Next, let's move on to managing candidates. Ashby lets you track every stage of the hiring process using customizable pipelines. You can see who's in screening, interviewing, or offer stages, all at a glance. Drag and drop candidates between stages as they progress, and leave notes or tag to keep your team aligned. If you are working with a hiring team, you can assign tasks like scheduling interviews or sending feedback requests directly within Ashby. This ensures everyone stays on the same page without endless email threads. For collaboration, Ashby makes it easy to gather input from your team. Use the built in feedback forms to collect structured evaluations from interviewers. You can also set up scorecards to standardize how candidates are assessed, ensuring fairness and consistency across the board. Plus, Ashby integrates with tools like Slack or Google Calendar, so you can streamline communication and scheduling without leaving the platform. Once you have made a hire, Ashby doesn't stop there. It transitions seamlessly into employee onboarding and HR management. Add new hires to your employee database, track start dates, and assign onboarding tasks like paperwork or training modules. You can even organize team structures, track performance reviews, and manage compensation, all from the same system. This eliminates the need to switch between multiple tools and keeps your people operations running smoothly. To get the most out of Ashby, spend some time customizing your workflows, set up automation rules to handle repetitive tasks like sending rejection emails or moving candidates to the next stage after an interview. You can also create custom reports to track metrics like time to hire, source effectiveness, or diversity goals. These insights help you refine your hiring strategy and make data driven decisions. Finally, don't forget to leverage Ashby's integrations, whether it's syncing with your ATS, CRM, or HRIS. These connections ensure all your systems work together seamlessly. The less time your team spends switching between apps, the more time they can dedicate to building great teams. With Ashby, you can streamline recruiting, simplify HR processes, and create a better experience for both candidates and employees. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.